Hello and welcome to GUI.Dog. Oh yes. What are we doing today? Suhuf. Suhuf, yeah. So, this is the latest implementation. This indentation here that we've got going. It took more than I thought it would take. I thought it was going to be something simple. But just like the encrypted messages, it took a lot more effort, but the obstacle is the way. These difficulties will turn away your competition. Not the competition that is learning Alif Ba Ta, A B C D 1 2 3 right now. They're the ones that will grow up with AI, and that will eventually become native with AI, and then they'll blow you out of the water when they start to use it to build stuff. But what I'm talking about is your current competition, that is people who are not using it. So yeah, so this took a lot of effort. I will put the prompts in the description as usual. And yeah, so have a go, take a look. Go to Suhuf.co. This is a quick one, just to let you know the progress. If you like what you're hearing, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell. Choose all, give us a thumbs up or thumbs down. Tell us in the comment section why you gave us a thumbs up or thumbs down. Any feedback you've got, anything that I'm not seeing, let me know. Thank you very much and goodbye.